Good morning, everybody. This is Enfield Driving School driver training. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to deal with the roundabout. We are in Walton Cross, here Aldi, when we're turning 4th exit, turn right. So this is a test route. Let's think about, you come out from Aldi, you done your parking maneuver, then you're gonna go right there. That's it. So middle mirror, right mirror, signal right, position to the right hand side, and then continue. Now look at the light is changed. So this is exit number 1 towards London, and ahead is exit number 2 towards Chisholm, and quick fit would be exit number 3, and towards KFC would be exit number 4. This roundabout controlled with the traffic light. So at the moment we got middle of the roundabout, you got a light. So once we pass that, you got another light, so we've got to be aware of that another light here. So that's exit number 2, that's exit number 3. Now mirror signal left and change your lane. Beautiful. Okay, so now we passed the Aldi roundabout and I'm in the right lane. You might say, why did you finish on the right lane? The reason why, because I'm going to the right side, number 1. Number 2, there was a Morrison van on the left hand side. So yes, our aim is to once we pass the second exit or the third exit, depends where you're going, you got to come to the left side. But if you see your lane is blocked, you got to stay on the right lane. So now in this roundabout, known as KFC roundabout, I'm going to take the second exit to the right. What do I need to do? Follow the MSPSL routine, middle mirror, right mirror, signal right, position myself to the right hand side, and that is not exit, not entry. I can see the sign there. This is the first exit, mirror, signal left, and leave the roundabout. Beautifully. Okay, so now I can see the light is changed green now, so I'm just gonna follow the big lorry in front of me, nice and slow. Beautiful. Now cancel my signal, then continue. Okay, so now the next roundabout is a little roundabout, and I'm going to take the first exit to the left hand side. As an advanced driver, I can overtake the lorry and come back in front of the lorry, but just because of this demonstration is about learner driver, so I don't want to do that. So now, just to benefit learner driver, so now the speed was 40, change it to 30 now. I'm gonna leave this entrance now. I've got space, I can go. So now check my middle mirror, my left mirror, then signal left. So now Morrison decided to come in front of me, allow him to go. So now this roundabout is not controlled with the traffic light. Then I'm gonna look at the roundabout to make sure there is nobody coming back. There you go. Then when it's safe, I'll continue. Okay, so now straighten my wheel and then cancel my signal. Okay, so this car decided to turn here, so just let them to finish, then continue. Okay, so now we got a new zebra crossing here. It's about 2-3 weeks ago they put a new zebra crossing, so you got to be aware of that new zebra crossing here. Then we will be turning left at this traffic light coming up towards the test center. So cars parked on the left hand side, check your mirrors, move out, then come back again, middle mirror, left mirror, signal left, come back to the left hand side, then continue. So now the light is green, but just got to be aware of the scooter and check our right shoulder here. When it's safe, then continue. Beautiful. Okay, so now the speed is here 30 at the moment, so you gotta be careful not to go over the speed here. Yes, I can see the speed limit is coming 40, but not yet. Once I pass it, then check my mirrors, then proceed. Beautiful. Okay, so now very soon we are approaching to the test center, and at the test center roundabout, Enfield Test Center, I'm going to turn a right second exit. Okay, so when I get closer to the roundabout, I'll explain. So You might say, why second exit to the right hand side? Good questions, right? So we don't have exit on the left hand side, we only have exit straight, which is first, then we got the second exit to the right. So this roundabout has got only two exits, one straight, one right. So now middle mirror, who's behind you, right mirror, who's beside you, then signal and inform other people where you're going. Then the road mark is faded, so you got to stay to the right hand side. Then look to the right hand side if it's safe, continue. Then stay closer to the roundabout but not too close, give yourself nearly a meter. So now middle mirror, left mirror, signal left, then leave the roundabout. There you go. Then now straighten our wheel, then cancel our signal. Beautiful. That was a little short video about Aldi roundabout, KFC roundabout and Lisbon roundabout. And if you like the video and if you got tests coming up or just want to improve your driving, please like, share, subscribe for more videos like this, and have a lovely day. Thank you very much. Bye bye.